Okay, now that the tablecloth is done, we're going to move on to lining our watermelon and putting some seeds in it. So we have our medium round brush, and just go ahead and fill in some seeds. And if you think that's not enough, that's traced onto your watermelon, go ahead and add some more. They're basically the shape of a teardrop. So just use the tip of your medium round brush and draw in some teardrops. Add a few to the tablecloth. Looks like someone was taking a bite. I really should add some ants on the table too. It just looks like it's what it needs. So with my black on my liner brush, I did the tablecloth, and now I'm going to be outlining around the watermelon in black. And you just want to stay on the tip of your brush and balance your hand using your pinky finger on the canvas and pull it towards you. Now you can reload your brush and continue on with the top of the watermelon. Dipping it into black paint again and resting your hand so your pinky can steady your hand. That's how I like to do my detail lines. Now you want to outline in between the red and the grasshopper green. Now flipping my canvas around so I can pull the paint towards me. I'm in black again, and I'm going to paint around the edge of the watermelon rind. And again, flipping it, and now we're going in between the two greens. Just fixing up the outer edge there. And making my line in between the two greens a little bit thicker. I feel like it needs some more seeds, even though most of the watermelon we eat nowadays are seedless. I'm going to add a few more seeds in here using my liner brush. Now that the watermelon is done, I'm going to use my 1-inch flat brush and touch up the sky. And make sure you go around and get all the edges of the canvas. And to finish it off, have a clean brush dipped in white, and now we're just going to highlight some places on the watermelon, on the seeds, and then you're finished with your watermelon painting. I'd love to see it. You can tag me on Burning Brush Creations, and have a happy summer. I hope you enjoyed this watermelon painting. Follow along for more.